apartments be.
They really are.
Welcome to my New York apartment that's 520 square feet.
This is all you see.
This is the door. And there we go. That's the tour.
Nice.
Like, wow.
We got some nice control.
Come in, have a little sink, vanity type area, mirror, shower, mirror, closet, beds, TV, a little desk, and then another little closet situation. All right, so first outfit, we're doing the flannel. I think I might wear one of these black shirts, but I don't know because this doesn't have black in it. I don't know what we're gonna do right now, but we're gonna be meeting down soon. The sun is kind of still out, so that's good. I was told the sun is supposed to like fully be done, like daytime's supposed to be fully done at like 10 p.m. So we have enough daylight. Let's begin day one. I think we're about to do a tour. We're gonna come back for that another time. But it's so pretty. So pretty. The sun just came out. Oh!
Of them are plated gold, with a gold leaf, yeah? So, if you look for a hotel room in Paris, some of the amount that you've been charged with, it's like a tax, goes to the government to maintain, to restore all the gold on the statue. So, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I don't know if that
Paying your tax.
In front of us, we see the Invalid Bridge and the Louvre was progressively abandoned. It's during the
Vas-y, t'es un bonhomme. Et hey, tu vas encore une fois. Non, on n'est pas là pour faire du cinéma. T'es un bonhomme.
Back at the hotel, just grab a towel, just grab some towels and water. About to go shower. Tomorrow we have to be up early.